This is a brief video how to use the online HTML editor. The editor is what you would use to control or edit the text that shows up on the late breaking column on the home page. This is the only area that's editable. To access the editor, you click on the admin, which will take you to the logon page. Type in your credentials, which will open up the admin portal page. And here you'll see the HTML editor. When this video is done, there will be an icon here. You can click on that to reopen this video demonstration to refresh your memory. The actual editor is fairly powerful. It's very similar to Microsoft Word as far as its icon rows go. One of the important features is to open up the actual server. You click on that icon. You can browse the server. And I'll bring this down so you can see it. And you'll see we're on the actual server. I'm going to add a subfolder. I'm going to call it images. Now you don't have to do this. I'm just doing this so that we can add this folder to the site. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload some images so I can show you how this is done. If you prefer, I've already uploaded the PDFs, newsletters, and reports. You can control how they look by clicking on list if you prefer to list versus the thumbnails. I like the thumbnails, but I'm going to show you how to upload a file. You click on upload, and that's going to open up your file manager on your computer, and you can go to where you want to have an image uploaded. And I'm going to go to the HLA folder, and I'm going to upload a couple of images. Let's just pick these first, and you can shift click or command click. I'm going to pick those four. I'm also going to add these because we may be using those later. And you'll see it's uploading the files, and there they are. For now, for this demonstration, I'm just going to use this icon right here, and you'll see it opens it back up in the editor. And here is where you can control the size of the icon, and this is where you can, when this lock is closed, it gives the aspect ratio, so both length and width are controlled. If you want to change the length, you unclick that, and you can change this then to a different size if you prefer. The border, if you want to put, because it's white all the way around here, if you want to put a border around it, let's add a pixel border to it, and you'll see it puts the border on. Let's add some space to it, so let's put in 10 pixels, and you'll see that right away it's putting in a 10 pixel border around it. And let's add some vertical space to it. And let's say we want our text to be to the right, so we make the image to the left. I'll click on OK, and you'll see then that the image is added. So if I click on Update Article and go to the home page, you see that the image has been placed. Now it's a little bit too big for this, and we can change the size of that. So let's go back. And let's make that 80 and 80. Say OK. So you see that the size has gone down. Let's update that. Go back to the home page. And you see now it fits in there better. We can leave it there if you like, but if you want to remove it, again, go back to the editor, highlight that, delete it, update, review, and you'll see now that the image is gone. Let me show you a few more features of the editor. You can go in and change the fonting. If you want to change the fonting to a different style, you can go in and you can change it to, let's see. Let's make it a different font. Let's make it a Comic Sans, which we won't use, but you can see that you can use this here to change the font size. You can change the size. You can change some of the features, whether you want to have it highlighted. Usually when you roll your mouse over, it'll give you a little pop-up that tells you what it's about. Here's about And let's see, anything else that's on here that's fairly important. If you want to highlight, like say the first, and you want to make that a little bit bigger, you can do that. Let's make that 24. And let's make that bold. And let's change the font to a, well, let's leave it like that. Then if I click on Update Article, you'll see on the home page that it's been updated. I'm going to put it back. I don't really care for that. Go back. And I'm going to say I don't want that bolded. And I want it at 20 where it was. And let's update. Check it out. And you see now it's there. And that's pretty much the online HTML editor. And again, on the portal page, I'll have a video icon of this tutorial. So if you want to refresh your memory, just click on that and this movie will play again. So that's pretty much it.